I've come here to Alliance University in India to partake in so many exciting things. We went to Mysore, we did a propulsion lab, we visited the Boeing facility and an airport, and I learned so much while I've been here, and it's so exciting.
My experience at Alliance University has been one that I'll truly never forget. Before coming to India, I'd never been outside of North America before, so my main goal when coming here was to just really experience the culture and see what India is all about.
Hey. We are shopping at Mysore. What are you thinking about getting? Ganesh? On the campus at Alliance University, there are trees everywhere, and the food is amazing. It took me a minute to find my way around, but now it feels like a second home.
We traveled to Mysore about a week ago, and we got to see so many amazing temples there. We got to see Mysore Palace, we went to the zoo, and we got to interact with a lot of the locals and just see really what India is truly all about.
And the people were so nice. I made so many new friends, and I hope to keep in contact with them.
Oh, nice, cool.
It's on my face because I'm beautiful, but where are we?
Botanical Gardens.
Ooh, it's so pretty. Look,
it's garden.
yeah,
It's garden.
We just saw a billion-year-old rock.
Yeah, 3 billion.
3 billion. That's like way before humans.
It's been an amazing experience. Everyone here at Alliance has been the utmost professionals and have welcomed myself and my team with gracious hospitality. We learned so much in my yoga classes and my dance classes, my performing arts classes. Everyone here has been, very professional and very welcoming.
The day spent at Rocket Propulsion Lab and AR/VR Lab was very interesting and educational, particularly to our students. The experiments, water jet propulsion experiments done by the students was very fun and educational.
Yesterday, we had a traditional Indian dance performance, which I feel like was the highlight of my trip so far.
One really exciting program that we had at Alliance University was the performing arts. We learned a traditional Indian dance and we performed it in front of people, and they dressed us up. We had makeup, jewelry, and it was really exciting.